Have you ever been sure about something only to find out that it never happened the way you remember? It must be the Mandela Effect. Hello, my lovely friends, and welcome back to Allegedly Strange Tales. Today, we are going to use Starman Tarot, and that means it's Freaky Friday. Today, we're diving into a mind-bending topic that's puzzled people for years, and that is the Mandela Effect. Have you ever been sure about something only to find out that it never happened the way you remember? Maybe you remember a commercial or a movie or a TV show differently than it's portrayed today. Or maybe famous people you remember who you distinctly remember them passing away years ago, like Nelson Mandela, but find out they're still alive or just recently passed away. What is behind a strange phenomenon? Is it a glitch in the matrix, or is it proof of parallel universes? Let's dive in and see. So I'm using the Starman Tarot for this reading, and we are going to ask about the Mandela Effect and what is the true nature of it. What does it mean? Why is this happening? What is behind it? What is the true nature of the Mandela Effect, please? These cards are pretty thick, and which I like this deck, but it's quite thick and it's hard to handle, so we're going to ask about the Mandela Effect. We're asking about the Mandela Effect. So, what is the true nature of it? I like using the Starman Tarot because it's quite, well, number one, it's futuristic, it's spacey, and when I ask about, like, for instance, are we living in a simulation, and it actually the cards actually look, like computer futuristic, whatever. So we're asking about the Mandela Effect. What is the true nature of the Mandela Effect? Okay. And I'm going to put 6 cards out like I usually do. And we'll ask the Pendulum as well. I've got Esme out for this. So, what is the true nature of the Mandela Effect, please? What is the true... Whoa. Well, that's kind of scary. The Tower. So, to me, this would be God. An act of God, actually. So, the Mandela Effect is an act of God. So, are you telling me that this, us not remembering, or we remember but things are changed or whatever, this is an act of God? That's what it looks like. So, are alternate realities or dimensions influencing our memories, please? The Prince of Pentacles. I would say yes, and I would also say that it's from, it's a prince Oh, you know what? That is a Knight of Pentacles. That is a Knight of Pentacles. Sorry, I keep thinking the princess, but it's the princess is a page. So the Knight of Pentacles, and I said our alternate realities or dimensions influencing our memories. And I think it's because this is kind of slow moving, and over time, because the pentacles are years, like can be years. And I think it's happened slow movements. And with that being upright, I would say yes. And that kind of looks like, can you see that figure in the background? It kind of looks like to me that he's kind of remembering. That might be a distant memory or something. You see why I love this deck to when we talk about things like this. So I would say yes. Wow, act of God, and it affects our memory, influencing alternate realities. And yeah, that looks a bit alternate, doesn't it? I mean, look at the horse. He's not even on a real horse. It's a mechanical. And look, that's like a radio or radio waves, kind of like, and the guy is kind of sitting there just in a trance or something. That's what it looks like to me. Wow. Wow. I said our alternate realities or dimensions influencing our memories, and that picture. So, okay. Is the Mandela Effect natural or man-made? And I was thinking like CERN, because there is a theory that CERN is involved in causing the Mandela Effect. So anyway, really, I did ask the true nature of the Mandela Effect, and it's an act of God and affecting our memories. So now I'm saying, is it natural or man-made? I would like to know if CERN is making it or not. But an act of God, I mean, it could, let's see, it's the Chariot. Now, this, this is like you are in control of your own destiny. So is the Mandela Effect natural or man-made? I would say it is man-made. But then you have the tower, which actually, I said it's like an act of God, but I think CERN is like looking for the God particle. I don't know. Let's just see. Oh, you know what? I'm going to just clarify this. So, let's just ask, is CERN involved in the Mandela Effect, please? Is CERN involved? Whoa, that just came flying out. The Four of Swords. Now, the Four of Swords is, it's like a resting card. I wonder also if this does happen, and if you see that the sword there, so all these swords are upright, and there's one underneath which is hidden. So that could be the underlying. You know what? I wonder, because I'm going to put this here because it's the same sort of. So I asked if CERN is involved, and I wonder if things happen while we're sleeping. This is like a resting card. If they affect us while we're sleeping. And you see, it looks like waves. That's interesting. I wonder if that... Okay, so why do so many people experience the same kind of false memories? Why do everybody, well, not everybody, but so many people experience the same kind of false memories? The sun. I think we are, the sun is so, it's like a happy card of, it's like a, that would be an external force. Look at that, going down into that person's head. Wow, that's... You know what? There is also a theory that the sun is not the real sun as well. So let's see. I just think with these cards, and then that, oops, nearly dropped my mic. So that, and look, I mean, because they're all kind of going straight into the head, the mind. I think it is, I mean, and actually it could be literally the sun. Or some, external force like that, like a act of God. So, is the Mandela Effect evidence of a simulated reality? Oh, I'm so glad you guys are here with me, because these things kind of freak me out a little bit, but it is Freaky Friday. So anyway, I just want to see, is the Mandela Effect evidence of a simulated reality? Are you ready? I don't know if I'm ready or not. Okay. The Seven of Wands in reverse. Now, the Seven of Wands is somebody defending themselves. And look at that card, man. It does kind of remind you of the Matrix, doesn't it? And Neo. But in reverse, there's no defense. Is the Mandela Effect evidence of a simulated reality? Well, we did the reading before that it said we are living in a simulation. So, or we can't defend ourselves from it as well. So, what is the purpose or meaning of this Mandela Effect, please? What is the purpose or meaning? The star. That's usually like a hope and a healing. But also could be coming from the external stars. To me, I think maybe a different reality, parallel universe, the star and the sun. That's what I'm thinking anyway. So I'll put these... This is going all over the place. Slipping. Okay. So, I'm going to ask my lovely pendulum, Esme, some questions here that I wrote down. So, let's just ask. Hello, Esme, and welcome to our channel. So, we're talking about the Mandela Effect, and we would like to know, we'd like you to answer some questions here. So, is the Mandela Effect caused by a parallel universe? Whoa. That is going to yes. Can you see that? I'm holding my hand as still as I can. Let me just give a little bit of a kickstart. Is this Mandela Effect caused by a parallel universe, please? That is crazy. Okay, it says yes. Okay, are we experiencing glitches in a simulated reality, please? Are we experiencing glitches in a simulated reality? Oh my goodness, guys. It's going to yes. Is there an external force intentionally, and I'm saying intentionally, altering our memories? Is an external force intentionally altering our memories? Oh, wow. And that is what those cards were saying too. So are collective false memories a natural psychological occurrence? Are collective false memories a natural psychological occurrence, please? Thinking about it. Whoa, that is going to no. So guys, I mean, that the reading, the tarot, and the pendulum agree that this is an external force. Oh, one more. Is this phenomenon made by CERN, please? Does CERN cause this? You know what? That is going to yes. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You can't mess with nature, folks. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have sweet dreams. Thank you, and if you like my content, please subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you on the next one.